Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing triceps and biceps. I listed out all the workouts here so you can screenshot and save to follow along. First up we have a tricep pull down. For these you want to stand a little bit away from the cable. Make sure that you're sticking your booty out to create a slight arch in your back. Keep your elbows close to your sides during the entire time. And while pulling the rope down, make sure you're pulling it all the way down to your thighs each rep. Next up we have a bicep cable curl. For these you want to stand pretty close to the cable, and then you want to make sure that you're sticking your chest out. This helps to make sure that the only muscle group that you're working is your biceps. Then you just want to start curling it up and down. Moving on, we are now going to do a tricep dip. For these, you want your hands to be shoulder width apart. Make sure that you are raising your chin and chest to help keep your body tight. Then you want to just squeeze your triceps and do an up and down motion. I had to get a drink from my hydro jug because I was thirsty as heck. You guys can get one of these for yourself. I have an affiliate link in the description box below. Then what I really like to do is set up a mat in a corner of any desired place, and I'll start doing some push-ups. Push-ups are something I've been really wanting to work on more, but my form and strength has been getting a lot better the more I do them. Next up we have the Tricep Extension machine. For these you want to keep your chest pressed against the machine and your butt scooted back, creating a small arch. Then you want to lean in and press down on the machine, feeling that muscle connection in your tricep. Now we will be moving on to the bicep curl machine. For this you want to also keep your chest pressed against the machine and your booty scooted back, creating a small arch. Then you want to grab onto the machine and start pulling it up towards your chest, feeling that mind muscle connection in your biceps. Next up is side lateral raises. You want to make sure that you're keeping your arms straight the entire time that you're bringing them up and down. Doing these will really help to tone up your arms. Lastly, we will do front lateral raises. For these, you want to make sure that you're keeping your arms straight the entire time, bringing the dumbbells up and down. That is all for this workout, you guys. I hope you enjoyed and I hope that you try it out for yourself. Like and subscribe. I will be posting new videos every week.